Hi, I'm Allie Royer, and I'm going to talk about the first step of the process. This takes place in the grain room and the mill house. The grist box holds the grain until it's milled and ready to be used. The finished product is referred to as grist. So, this is where you're going to find the raw materials of the process. The grain ranges in color, so depending on the type of alcohol, you may have some dark or light grain. On our tour, he pulls out the grain to just show us the variation. Also in the grain room in the mill house, you will find the hops in refrigeration. Um, these hops are later used in the brew house, so as the second step of the process. So in the grain room and mill house, you have BBLs, and one BBL is a beer barrel. So we have 35 BBLs per hour equal 3,500 bottles per hour, and one BBL equals 31 gallons. So 100 BBLs equals 10,000 bottles.
Hi, I'm Nick Cruzy, and I am going to be talking about the second step to our process, which is the brew house. Grist and water are combined together in the mash tun to form porridge-like mixture, which is then sent to the lauter tun, forming a bed of grain. Water flows through grain and back into the mash tun, pulling starches out of the grain in a process known as sparging, resulting in a mixture referred to as wort, which is then boiled, killing unwanted bacteria, refining sugars, and releasing flavors. This process is in a 35 beer barrel gallon tank, and it takes 6 hours to process, which also equates to 583.33 bottles per hour.
Hi, my name is Greg Burdett, and in step three of our process is fermentation. In fermentation, wort is heat treated, then sent to a fermentation tank where yeast is added. The brew will mature here for 2 to 6 weeks, depending on the style of beer being brewed. Once desired alcohol content and beer composition is achieved, the beer is crashed by dropping the temperature, thus killing the yeast and ending fermentation. Fermentation is the bottleneck of our process. 14 barrels makes up 100 BBL over 10 days, which comes to 583.24 bottles an hour.
Hi, I'm Jamie Howard. I'm going to talk about the fourth step, which is the packaging and bottling line. Beer is moved to a holding tank where it will be hand packaged into bottles or kegs. Our bottling line can fill, clean, and then package up to 3,800 bottles in 1 hour.
Hello, my name is Sean Cordum, and step 5 is our keg cooler, where our packaged beer is stored and it waits to be shipped to stores, bars, and restaurants all over Iowa. Also, our competitive priority for Back Pocket Brewery is consistent quality and reliability. Our utilization is in an 8-hour day, they can produce 4,664 bottles per day. So if we produce 3,000 in one day, equals 64% utilization.